Welcome to our product channel, Cosmic Tech Valley. Product details: name. Metabo HPT C10FSBS 10 inches sliding compound miter saw, double bevel, electronic speed control, 12 amp motor, electric brake feature, 5-year warranty. Product features: 1. Sliding double bevel compound miter saw. 2. Motor, 12 amp motor for professional power. 3. Bevel, 0-45-degree bevel angle range, to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade and leave the material in place. 4. Miter, 57-degree miter angle to the right, for ultra flexibility with 45-degree miter angle to the left. 5. Miter scale, white on black miter scale for superior accuracy and visibility. 6. Slide system, linear ball bearing slide system. 7. Positive stops on miter and bevel scale, for easy to read measurements and quick settings. 8. Metabo HPT, same tools. New name. Hitachi Power Tools has renamed to Metabo HPT. Product description: the Metabo HPT C10FSBS 10-inch sliding dual compound miter saw offers the ultimate in form and function for trim carpenters, framers and woodworkers. The positive stops on the miter and bevel scales make for easy-to-read measurements and quick settings. With a 45-degree dual bevel angle range, users can quickly flip the saw blade and leave the material in place. The linear ball bearing slide system and white on black miter scale provides superior accuracy and visibility. Electronic speed control keeps RPMs constant and unintended cuts are avoided with the electric brake feature. Technical details: manufacturer, Koki Holdings America, Ltd. Part number, C10FSBS.